So let's start with the question number 8 now. So in the question number 8, what do they give is there's a curve, there's a curve fx. Okay, so they are saying fx curve is there, so x is positive. And the point P, okay, this point, selected point, I would take it as this thing, that point P is going to be on the line, so the coordinate is 4, 12. And then later they say it's like, there's a tangent drawn. There's a tangent drawn to this curve with this equation, and that line is y equals 10x plus c. So they are the piece of information, and they also have given us f dash x, which is after differentiation. Okay, the first thing is finding the value of k. So we know f dash x is going to be 3 root x plus k x squared. And we also know at point P, the gradient is 10, because that's 10x plus c, which is f dash when you put the value. So the P is when x equals 4, because the P coordinate was 4, 12. So if we get the f4, that is 12, but if we get the f dash 4, that would be 10. So this is the theory that you have to remember, what is f dash and what is fx. Okay, so here we can write is this. So with this one, this is now quite easy. 3 root 4 plus 4 k4 squared equals 10. So the 10 would be 10 minus 3 root 4 divided by 4 squared is the k value. So the k is going to be 1 over 4. This is how we get the answer. Now when we have to find the c, that is also quite similar. The c equation comes from the tangent actually. This is from the tangent, 10x plus c. So we know this P point is on the line. So we can easily do the substitution. Is on the curve, like then 12 equals 10 times 4 plus c. So c should be 12 minus 10 times 4. So our c is negative 28. So now I got the tangent. Tangent is going to be y equals 10x minus 28. So this is the Roman number 1 and 2. Then they're asking finding the value of f double dash x. Okay, so if we know the f dash x, but we need to arrange it in a better way. Root x, we can write half power plus what we have is the kx squared, and we know the k is now 1 over 4. It's 1 over 4 x squared. Good. So when we differentiate the formula, so if you want to do the dy over dx of the x to the power n, it would be n comes to the front and x n minus 1. So similarly in this case, f double dash x, that means you're again differentiating it. 3 is there, half comes to the front, and this is 1 minus half, which is negative half, plus 1 over 4 times 2x 1. So you have 3 over 2 x to the power negative 1 plus 1 over 2 x. So this is pretty easy. And then ask at p. So if it is at p in the sense, what does the at p means is, at p means the x is going to be 4. So f double dash 4 is going to be 3 over 2, 4 to the power negative half. So I just miscopied it. So plus half into 4. So this would give you the answer, which is 11 divided by 4. This is pretty good. Is that the helping desk? No, it's like you have to find the f double dash. Then they're asking us to find the fx. Now only they're coming back to finding the fx. Okay, so whenever we do the fx, I'm like, let's think about the theory part behind it. If we have the fx to from here to here, you differentiate. From here to here, obviously should integrate. So we have f dash x, 3x half plus 1 over 4 x squared. Okay. So if we want to take the differentiation, like integration of this, so we know in the integration we also have another common rule, which is if we integrate x to the power n dx, what we would have is, we have x n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So this is what they have. Okay, these are common knowledge. So we have that, and then we come to these values. Okay, so the answer is going to be 3 is there, x 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2 plus 1 over 4 is there, which is that x 3 divided by 3 plus c. So what you have is, you have 2x 3 over 2 plus 1 over 12 x to the power 3 plus c. So this is the fx. So yeah, that's pretty much of it. So you found the fx as well. So easily you can get all the full marks. Thank you.